Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to share some simple and beautiful autumn decoration ideas that will transform your home into a cozy fall heaven. Whether you are preparing for Halloween, Thanksgiving, or just love the warm fall vibes, these tips will help you create a seasonal look without breaking the bank. The first thing you want to focus on is using natural elements like pumpkins, leaves, and pine cones. These are easily available in the fall and are perfect for giving that earthy, seasonal touch. You can never go wrong with pumpkins, from big ones on your porch to smaller ones on your dining table. They bring instant fall vibes. Try mixing in white, orange, and green pumpkins to create a more stylish look. If you have trees around, you can easily gather fallen leaves and pine cones. Place them in a clear glass vase or bowl to make a simple centerpiece. If you are feeling crafty, you can even spray paint the pine cones in gold or bronze for a more elegant touch. Drape a cozy plaid or chunky knit blanket over your sofa or armchair. Not only does it add texture, but it also creates a warm and inviting space. Out-of-fall decoration for kitchen is also a great idea. Fall brings a lot of beautiful seasonal fruits and veggies like apples, pumpkins, squash, and gourds. Instead of tucking them away, display them as a part of your kitchen decor. Use a large wooden bowl or wicker basket to show off these fall goodies on your kitchen island or countertop. Homemade candle or just for the living room. Place them on your kitchen countertop or windowsill to make your space feel extra cozy while cooking or enjoying your meals. If you are hosting guests or just want to spruce up your dining area, autumn-inspired table settings can make a big difference. Light a few scented candles around your home. You can place them on your dining table, coffee table, or windowsill. Not only do they smell amazing, but they also create a warm and cozy glow. Swap out your regular throw pillows for autumn-themed ones. Think deep oranges, rich reds, mustard yellows, and burnt browns. You could also add some pillows with cute pumpkin or leaf designs to really get into the fall spirit. And that's it for today's video. We hope these simple autumn decoration ideas inspire you to bring some cozy fun vibes into your home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.
Eating